What's up guys, Jessica here, and for this week's video I will be doing a taste test, I guess you could say. So I will be trying candies from other countries. Which country, I'm not sure yet. So I did get a subscription box from this place called Trike Treats. See it? There you go. So they did send me a box, and it's been out for a while. So if there was chocolate in here, those things are melted because it's super hot. I have my fan on, so that's probably gonna come out on the video. So this is what it comes out to, and let's see what we got. Wow. Look at this. Tower Bridge, London, United Kingdom. Bon appetit! This is so cute though. Look at this. You know, I think I'm gonna say these. Oh, so look, there's a coupon code which is GIFT5 to get 5% off, which I will be linking down below. So if you guys want to get a subscription box, I will leave everything down below. I'm pretty sure a lot of these we have them here, and I think there was chocolate. Probably freaking melted. Okay, so right here is gonna pretty much say what we got. Actually, you know, this is Aero Peppermint Bar by Nestle. They are chocolate bars with the mint flavor filling consisting of tiny air bubbles. The air bubbles give Aero bars a bubbly texture, enabling the chocolate to melt in your mouth when you chew on it. You know what? We actually have these in not like bars, but in Mexico we have like these. That's exactly what they look like right here. Oh man, it is melted. Ew. Well, there's like no point in me showing what it looks like. It's pretty good, and they do taste exactly like those little mint balls from Mexico. I totally love these though. So I'll probably give these 10 out of 10. Next one up is this one. I really don't know how to pronounce this, so please don't judge me. So it says Burst Chip by Jenny's, whatever that is. Burst Chips by whoever that is. And good potato chips flavor with a unique blend of roasted barley and hops. The combination of savory crisp with the bittersweet flavor of Irish give these chips a truly unique flavor. I'm not a big fan of potatoes, so... Ooh, that smells weird. Ooh, that was bad. Don't like the flavor at all. I mean, the chips are crispy and all, but that's a big no-no for me. Big 0. 0 out of 10 for that. Next is another chocolate by Cadbury, which I think is this one. Dairy Milk Chocolate Bar by Cadbury is a chocolate bar made with a higher proportion of milk than most chocolate bars. Incredibly popular in the UK. It was first created in 1905 and it became Cadbury's best-selling product by 1915. This one's not as melted as the other one. This is what it looks like. It probably has like something in it. I don't know if it's peanuts. Alright, next one is Custard Creams by Hill Biscuits. Oh, so these are cookies. Custard Cream by Hill's Biscuits are a type of English biscuit. A type of English biscuit that is made up of vanilla cream filling sandwich between two biscuits in a poll of 7,000 Britons. 9 out of 10 voted custard creams to be their favorite biscuit. It's basically a cookie with vanilla filling, so filling, right? Filling. Sorry, I can't even talk. This is what it looks like. You can't even taste the filling on it. It's just like the cookie. I mean, it's not bad, but I guess it just needs more flavor to it, I guess. I give it a 9 out of 10 because it definitely needs flavor. I could just like pretty much taste the freaking cookie. Drifter by Nestle. Another chocolate. There you go. So this is Drifter by Nestle. Is a chewy caramel and wafer biscuit originally launched in 1980. Chewier than the average chocolate bar. Drifter is often described to be similar in texture to a Twix bar. Yep, I knew it. Or Kit Kat, yet distinctly unique in its overall taste. Definitely like a Twix. It's like a Twix, except like the cookie part, it's different. So I'll give this 10 out of 10. It's pretty good too. Next up is, these are super melted. White Buttons by Cadbury are delicious button-shaped white chocolate pieces in production since 1960. White Buttons by Cadbury are made with fresh milk from British farms and a favorite in the country. Ugh, I don't know about milk. I really love white chocolate, so but they're pretty good though. I'm definitely keeping this one, put them on the fridge, and freeze them. Ow. So I think I have a cavity, and I don't even think it's a good idea to be eating candy right now. But YOLO! Just kidding, that's so old school, huh? So this is definitely good. I'll give it 10 out of 10. I freaking love white chocolate. Toffee or Toofy, I don't know, by Walkers. Our traditional English. Really, bruh? Really? Toofy? Toofy by Walkers are traditional English. The sugar got to me on the real. So it says Toffee or Toofy by Walkers are traditional English toffee. Like, nah, bro, really? Itself is creamy and sweet in taste and hard and chewy in texture. So in taste, it's creamy and sweet, but in texture, it's hard and chewy. It is made with no artificial colors, no preservatives, and no hydrogenated vegetable oil. I am so scared of this. So it actually comes with like freaking plastic on one side, and then it's just like the candy on the other. And I'm gonna try to like freaking peel it out. This is not gonna come out. What? It's not bad taste, but it's just the texture. I can't. It feels weird in my mouth. That's what she said. Nah, I ain't doing it. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I mean, it doesn't have a bad taste. It's just like, I don't know. Brown Trees Fruit Pastellis. This is what they look like. These are also by Nestle and are chewy. Fruit flavored gummies that contain real fruit juice and artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Initially introduced back in 1881, fruit gums are a timeless and classic British treat. So these are gummies. I think these are like the lifesavers here in America, except they don't have like all this shit. Actually, yeah, some do, huh? Oh no, this is too much sugar, and I already feel like hyped up. Hell, these are not chewy. These are hard. That's what they look like. Bro, this has like so much sugar. These are hard. Too much. 7 out of 10. They don't taste bad, but they're not chewy. Shortbread Fingers by Walkers are Scottish shortbread biscuits baked from a recipe handed down through generations of the Walker family. These biscuits are all natural and contain no artificial colors, flavoring, or preservative. I mean, they're not bad. They're definitely buttery. And this is 10 out of 10. And this would be really good with some like coffee. Taito Crisp by Taito were the first flavored chips in history. They are so popular in Ireland that both Northern Ireland and the Republic of Ireland have their own brand of Taito chips. The Taito in this box are from Northern Ireland. Actually, you know what? They're not even as strong as the ones from here. Okay, I take that back. I guess we could give it 10 out of 10, right? I mean, they're not as bad as the ones from here. Milky Bar Buttons by Nestle are a bag white chocolate button similar to white buttons from Cadbury. These buttons are made from Nestle's best-selling Milk Bar white chocolate. and see if you like Cadbury. We got a little competition in here. They look exactly the same. Let me get one that's not melting. They're exactly the same, bro. Oh, Nestle, definitely. But you know what? If you want to compare this to something, you can compare it to the chocolate, like the Hershey's. Yeah, there you go. Hershey's chocolate, the white version though. I think I like Nestle better. So, anyways, that is it for today's video. No, I didn't post last week, but it was just a hell of a week. Yeah, that is it. Remember to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, turn on the notification, and I'll see you guys next week with another video.